Hey there, how you doing? Hope you're doing good. Today I'm gonna show you how to design this charger. It's a Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 charger, probably my phone.
We'll begin with its front view. Draw a rectangle of 38 mm length and 38 mm breadth, probably the square. Now draw another rectangle of length 42 mm and 10 mm breadth. Now move it to the top of this rectangle. Select the object and type in M and hit enter. Then select the base point and specify the destination point. You are done. Now it's time to draw some construction lines. For that, select line type in properties panel. Select other, click on load and select ISO dash. Click OK and again here. Now select the line type. Draw a line from center of top rectangle to a distance of 9 mm and straight to this line. Change line type now. Select a rectangle and specify length of 5 mm and height as 15 mm. Move it and place at the top of this rectangle straight to this line. Perfect. And now select the rectangle and place the mouse at the center of the top line. Select convert to arc. Hover the mouse to specify the direction and type in radius as 2.5. Measure the object. You are done with front view. Let's draw top view. Select rectangle, choose fillet in the command bar and specify radius as 3 mm. Now trace this line and specify length as 38 mm and breadth as 27 mm. It's time to draw another rectangle of length 25 mm and breadth of 22 mm. Before performing that operation, give fillet value to 0 and then go ahead. Now convert the sides into arc as we done before, but the radius now is 11 mm. Then draw a circle of radius 2.5 mm by tracing the above front view. Now mirror it. So done with the 2D sketch. Switch to 3D modeling. Here from the status toggle bar, select Southwest Isometric and select Shaded in Visual Styles for better view. Now pay attention here. Select Press Pull in Modeling panel, which is in Home tab. Check the rectangle that has been created with fillet. Hover the mouse downwards and then specify height to be 38 mm. Repeat the command for the circles but in opposite direction of height 25 mm. Again repeat the command for this object and specify height as 10 mm. Now switch to solid tab in here and select fillet edge. Then specify radius as 2.5 mm and select these edges and then press enter twice. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.